Welcome. In front of me is Insta360 Studio application for PC, and in this video I will show you how to properly export video to TikTok using this program. So to begin, let's start a new project and select the ratio for our video. If you want this video to be flat, then go ahead with 9:16 option. If you want it to be panoramic, go ahead with the last option on the list. For now, I'll explain how to export a flat video. So I'll go with the 9:16 ratio. Let's name our project to keep things organized. I'll name it flat and press confirm. Once we created the project, let's import some files. I will use a part of this video to show you how it works. So let's crop out a tiny part of the video. Let's select the view we want to have. And before we export the video, make sure that the flow state stabilization is enabled in the image tab right here. And also I strongly suggest you using the color plus feature just to make sure that the colors in the video look better. You can of course adjust it to the point where you like the video the most. I will go with the 30. I think that's enough for the video. You can also select the direction lock to keep your video straight. And once we're happy with the result, let's export the video. Select export and then select the resolution you want to have. If you want a full HD video, go ahead with this one. This is for 2K and this is for 4K videos. For the frame rate, we can just match the project frame rate because this doesn't really make a big difference. And for the bit rate, I suggest you use something between 100 to 200 megabits per second. This will of course take much more memory, but it will smoothen your video enough to be published on a TikTok. And now for the encoding format, you can either go ahead with H.264 codec or 265, which is a complicated option because H.264 is more compatible, but H.265 provides a better compression. But I think that it's safer to go with the first option, H.264. You can also add a remove grain effect for the better view. And once you're ready, just click export. Let's wait for the export to finish. And once the export is done, let's go ahead and take a look at the result. Here's the video. And that's what you'll get. For me, it looks good. It will surely fit for a smartphone video. It has a good ratio, a good resolution, and nice colors. But if you want to use a panoramic option, then let's select a new project, call it panoramic, and select the 2:1 option, or 2:1 ratio in here. And let's also confirm. We don't have to change anything else here. Now I import the video once again, drag it onto the timeline. Let's also select the small part of the video. Everything else I mentioned before applies, so make sure you're using flow state stabilization, and I strongly suggest you to use color plus. And when we export the video, just choose the TikTok panoramic preset. You can choose the resolution. It's best to go with the recommended option. Choose the frame rate. I suggest you match it to the project. Choose the bitrate. It's the same as in the first part of the video. So go with somewhere in between 100 to 200 megabits per second. Let's go ahead with 150. Now choose the encoding format. Everything I mentioned applies, but for this time let's go with the H265. Let's remove grain and click export and wait until our video export. And once it's exported, let's go ahead and look at the result. And so this is how our panoramic video for TikTok looks like. And so basically that's how you export both flat and panoramic videos to your TikTok channel in Insta360 Studio for PC. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.